My name is Chad Kubanoff. I'm a chef living in Vietnam for the last 12 years now, something like that. Maybe 10 years. I don't know. It's been a while. It was my choice for dinner tonight. We are in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City, right next to our new house. So we want to do our first walk to a dinner. So this is our first day. We're actually walking to dinner. And there's a goat hot pot up here that was packed yesterday. Freaking packed. I want to try it. I want to see what it's like. It's right up here. Super close to our new house. So that's exciting. We're walking, but the kids are riding today. It's right up here. This is less than a 10-minute walk from our house now. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it's good. All right, JD, we're gonna cross here, okay? Called Num Người. Called Quận Lao Ye 404. Never been here, never heard of it. We'll see. It's a Lao Ye, it's a goat hot pot spot, but they do have some cool stuff up there. They have a fig salad with goat.
Want cashew?
Yeah, I'll have a cashew. What flavor are they?
Peel.
Oh, just salt?
I can peel one for you.
Are you gonna peel them? Thanks, honey.
I get one.
Oh, thanks. Mmm. Thank you, baby. That's a very well-peeled cashew. Come on. I could get the roasted leg. I could get yay, tai chan yay, gỏi yay, lao yay is okay. The pho ap chao is probably good for the kids. Oh, they have the whole tú suan. I would get that in the big spot. We used to have another goat hot pot close to our other house,
Which was amazing.
that was a really good one. This one looks really good too, with a lot of people here. And there was even more people yesterday. So I think we're a little, it's probably 6 o'clock. It's probably the right time for dinner.
I like those.
Which one?
Yes, Sao Ring Man.
Yay, Sao Ring. What's that, like 150? All right, get that. Do you guys want hot pot or no?
Yeah.
Would you rather get a hot pot or would you rather get a roasted leg?
Roasted leg.
All right, get the small leg. I think it's $3.60 for a small leg plate, roasted leg plate. That's a special. Đu dê, đút lò, sa nhỏ, bốc dìa, phở, áp cháo. I'm gonna say đảo hô tú suan, but if you don't want that, it's okay. You can get something else if you want. If you want to get gỏi or you want to get the tai chan, it's okay too. Oh, it's getting busier and getting busier. We're loading up. I told you this spot was packed yesterday. Packed. Gotta be good. And then get something else. If we get tofu, I want to have rice with it. So get something else besides the pho. What's this gỏi bò ba mean?
Very different area.
Oh, interesting.
Like a Bắc Trung Nam is.
Oh yeah, I hear you. I understand. Cool spot. I like this spot. I like it already. What do you think, Liam? You excited? No, you got some questions there. They do have thick can here.
Liam, do you want some brain?
Let's get hot rod, I guess. Get hot pot and then you can get brain if you want to. You okay? You're so excited. You got good energy today, huh? I love this style of restaurant. There's so much. It's open air. It's so cool. Good vibes. Whoa. Oh, we got a hot pot.
Let's eat it.
Wow. Oh, we got some extra pork brains going in.
Wait, that's brain?
Yeah, Liam loved brain. So this is the small goat hot pot. We got taro, we got perilla, we got an extra brain in there for the boy. Mushroom. And my wife wanted some goat stir-fried with sour rice and galangal. So this is goat stir-fried with galangal and sour rice. And the goat hot pot also comes with mustard leaf, kenta, and some egg noodle.
Is this pineapple sauce?
Fermented tofu.
The meal is perfecto.
The meal is perfecto.
Yes, I made it beautiful.
Wow, JD, you are on fire. Here's a piece of goat, no fat.
No,
Goat meat is good. JD like it.
yummy.
You like it?
He had a big galao.
Yeah, but I think now it's just, but if I got 2 plates of fried rice, you would eat 2 plates of fried rice right now. It's really good, yeah.
It's amazing.
Wow, I get another one of them. That's pretty good. Even I think goat has really good skin. I like goat skin. Before, I don't really like skin of an animal, but goat skin's pretty good.
I love goat skin. What can I eat next? Can I put the noodles inside of the soup?
Yeah. Banger. Wow, that looks good. This is the pho ap chao. Wow, I didn't expect it to look like that. So this is a fresh pho noodle, fried crispy with seafood on top. Wow, this looks good.
This is the noodle?
Yeah, that's the noodle. Wow, look at this noodle. That's cool.
Do you like it?
Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Wow, that's good. That's good. Wow. I think this might be kind of amazing, actually.
Oh, that's a chicken.
The noodle's awesome.
Yeah, this is so good.
It's amazing.
I love it.
Yeah.
This crunchy spot.
It's so good. Yeah, it's kind of like mi sao yon. It's kind of like mi sao yon, but I think better. I love the pho here. It's amazing.
Crunchy.
This is a top tier stir fry dish. This is one of the best stir fry dishes I've had. Definitely a must order. This is really good. Let's check the hot pot. How's that brain doing? That's the goat hot pot. The goat hot pot kind of has some like gingerbread aroma a little bit.
It should.
That's squid. You want the squid?
It looks weird.
They cut it like that so it's pretty. They call that a flower cut. You want it? You can have it.
The tentacle's much better.
You like the tentacle better than the body?
I want more fish balls.
You want a fish ball? Here you go. Cauliflower.
It looks like broccoli.
There's white broccoli.
It looks like old broccoli.
It's not old broccoli, it's white broccoli. Mmm. Next, that's the roasted leg.
We'll cut it for you.
Oh good, we need to cut it. I was like, how do I attack?
Just show you so you have to
Beautiful, I love it. All right, let's cut it. Okay, let me. This is the roasted leg of goat, the small one. They have a bigger plate too, this is the smaller one. And now he's gonna cut it. Cool, I'm excited. Yo, that stir fry thing is freaking good. That's really, really, really great. It's just so exciting too because we're just kind of finding our new spots for a house. This is a spot. We could come here and just get 3 pho ab chows and call it a day. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's so good. And this fish sauce looks amazing too. Oh, we got the hot pot revealed. It's cooking. The noodle needs a little bit longer. And then this fish sauce looks great. This is what coming with the leg, the roasted leg. Wow, look at all this. Is that, oh, that's all shallot. Or is that fish? Oh, that's monkey. Oh, this is like a really strong fish sauce. Look at these chilies in there too. That's crazy.
Wait, Dad, someone take my brain out?
No, no, your brain's still in there. Don't worry, girlie.
Good.
JD, you got the energy today, girl. All right, let me get you some noodle. I said you got the energy today.
Did you eat my cool noodle from the other noodle? From the brain.
That's the brain. We ordered the brain extra. That's an add-on because Liam loves brain. What's up?
That looks like my brain.
That looks like your brain? Pretty close to your size, JD. Yeah, make sure you don't want to eat undercooked brain. It's not good.
Have you tried it?
Undercooked brain? No, because you're not supposed to eat undercooked brain. It's not good for you. Brain you want to eat well done.
It's a perfect amount.
Oh, I think it's great.
Oh, that's loaded.
Good soup, JD? Wow. The leg looks good. Everything looks good.
Maybe you should wrap it.
Yeah, this looks tender, JD, here. Soft meat.
God,
I'm eating the brain, that's it.
You're eating the brain, that's it?
Yeah, to prove I'm not scared.
Is it ready yet?
Wait a little bit. You like the soup? It's good. That meat's really tender. It's good. I'm just taking this noodle out. I don't know if you want it all, but it's just overcooking. This be a good spot.
This is the banger.
But it's a banger. Do you eat whole chili? You nibble it? They're hot. They're hot. Wow.
I think the brain is ready.
I think the brain's ready too.
Yeah.
Oh, brain time. A little nibble for Liam. We'll share. And Tree is gonna try his brain. Wait a minute. Goat boy is eating goat brain. Whoa. You are gonna get even more goaty. Oh, is it pork brain? Oh, darn it. I'll get you some goat brains, young man. I'll find it for you.
It's exactly like tofu.
It's like creamy tofu.
I don't taste the difference.
I know, it doesn't have a strong flavor. It's like almost like mayonnaise, solid mayonnaise. It's just creamy. Liam knows already. Liam's a brain boy. He loves brain. Nice, bro. Nice.
The golden is so good.
They're very good. I'm looking at a great spot.
Amazing.
You think it's amazing? Super creamy brain.
So creamy.
Very creamy.
The cream on the cake.
Cream on a cake. I made a brain sauce, you know that? At the pop-ups, I made a brain sauce. I forget what dish it was with. It was for the Halloween, but I just don't remember what dish it was served with. Maybe a spring roll or something.
Oh, the tofu tastes like brain.
Tofu tastes like brain now too. W.
Thank you, Dad.
This is sweet. Even the leg, I was like a little bit nervous about ordering because I just think it's gonna be tough. I don't know, but they say it's a special. But it is like braised first and then roasted. It's still pretty tender. For a leg, it's pretty tender. It's good. I would get it again. You want to have a little brain?
You don't like it?
The brain? Not into the brain? That's okay.
Well, good thing that you tried it.
JD, you definitely get a point though for trying. I don't know how many little beautiful 5-year-old girls eat brains or try brains.
I didn't know moms can eat brains, but there's more pieces.
If you have kids out there, do your kids try brains when they're 5 years old? Let us know. Want more? There's good meat here.
I'll probably have like more brain.
Okay. Did you try the leg? This one's just the meat, easy to eat. You're a good eater. This is taro. I love the taro so much. You full? You don't want what? Don't eat any more brain, baby. That's fine. I'm very proud of you for trying it. You don't have to eat more. You're good. Daddy's already very impressed. Yeah, that's a good one. Whoa, look at that piece. That's a good piece. Where'd you get that? How'd you find that thing?
Oh dang, that's a good piece.
This is our new local spot. That's pretty exciting. This is a good.
So close.
This is a good goat hot pot. This is a really good goat hot pot. That was incredible.
I'm Bowser Jr.
You look like a bandit. You can get a whole fried fish over here too. You want to go walk over to Tula Shore?
I really
I think we can probably do that. We can take a little walk over to Tout Le Jour. You guys have been pretty amazing. And JD, you ate that brain, so yeah, we'll walk over to Tout Le Jour. That's, I'm very proud. Even Tree, I'm very proud of you too, young man. I'll give you credit too. Good job.
Lazy ride.
I don't care about laser eye. I'm proud of you. Good job. Thank you for not being scared about trying food. Thank you. Very good. I give you credit, right? I give mommy credit for solving the studio situation, making us not have to deal with all the tiny details. There's a decent amount of meat on there. Do you know what, Liam? I think my first meal in Vietnam, where I went out with like a group of people, it was a hot pot, I remember, and we had tendon. I don't remember. Woo, but I'm done.
Me too.
That's a nah, bro. Woo, banger, huh? Banger. We got some men cursing behind us. That's some curse words going on back there.
Say what?
Yeah. Woo, food coma. I'm going to sleep. I'm getting knocked out. Wow, banger. You're so sweet today. My God, you're so sweet every day, but goodness, today you're even sweeter. Goodness, I can't take it. JD's just so sweet. You want to get checked, Tree?
I don't know what do you feel like.
I'm about to pass out. That's funny. That's funny.
What?
Mommy said like, do you take the credit card? And he said, Jing Quang Duk, like paying with the phone is okay. That's a very nice way to say no, we don't take credit card without saying no. We'll see what the bill is here.
We're bringing it home.
Yeah, there's a lot of meat there. We're gonna take some of that. And we can fry that skin crispier, cut the meat small, boil the bone, make more soup. Total bill here is $1 million, $988. So it's about $40 for this. Probably the leg is the most expensive thing. That was about $360. That was about $14 for the leg. Let's see what everybody thought. All right, let's find out. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, bro? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Where'd you come back?
Oh, yeah.
Favorite dish on the table?
The stuffing.
Got a point?
10.
10. Oh, let's go. We're gonna go get dessert first. JD said she wants to go last. We're gonna get some Tout Le Jour first. Do you wanna do it?
Yeah, sure.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Would you go back?
Probably.
Favorite thing on the table?
Stir-fried noodle, yeah.
And you got a point?
8.5, maybe 9.
Nice. Yo, this is the one I'm talking about. That's a speaking my language right there. Oh, I thought it was coated with chocolate. Never mind, I'm not as excited as I was. How come all these bakeries are just pre-packaged crap now? It's not like even baked in the house. If that's just look around first, make sure it's the one you want. Oh, the caramel macaron ring donut, that seems good too. Oh, what's this thing? Yo, a midnight matcha bun. That's kind of cool.
Okay, I'm going outside, okay?
You going out? Mommy's trying to run. Got a tray there, yeah, lady? Liam, anything got your eye? Not really? Liam, see this, you might like this. Chocolate, and there's a strawberry cake over there too. That seems like your style. There's even a Chinese strawberry tiny cheesecake too. Trey, you wanted the caramel one? All right, let's get one of these big things over here. That strawberry thing? Yeah, let's get this one too, and then we'll call it a day. All right, can you go over? I like it. Cautious, Liam, that's good. Nice and careful. Do you want to tell me about dinner? Did you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing on the table?
My favorite thing was on the table, the noodle thing.
The noodle thing?
One had the giant noodle.
Would you come back?
Yeah.
How many points do you want to give it?
90.
90, wow. My wife doesn't be on camera today. She's been working all day. Did you like your dish?
Yes.
Would you come back?
Yes.
Favorite thing on the table?
The stir-fried noodle.
Point?
8.5.
8.5. All right, let's go home. Yet again for me. Hold on, let's cross the street here. All right, guys, let's cross the street. Get your bike. Quick, grab my hand, grab my hand. Hold on, we're crossing. Give us a second to cross the road. I'm just talking to these people who just want to hear my answer, but like, hey, we gotta cross the road safely. Okay, we're good. For me, did I like it? Yes. Would I come back? Yes. Favorite dish on the table? Pho ap chow. Stir-fried noodle. Point. I mean, the pho ap chow's a 10, but overall, 9.2. This is the best goat restaurant I've ever been to, I'm pretty damn sure. Very cool dishes, new dishes I haven't seen, classic dishes that are done really well. The roasted leg was my least favorite and the most expensive, and I thought it was gonna be my least favorite, honestly, but I was just curious to try it. But I would skip that next time for me. I would order everything else we ordered again, although I'd probably try new stuff next time. We're gonna get the pho ap chow every single time, for sure. We got another spot over here called Thai Food Snack, so bada bing, like, kind of fun moving into a new neighborhood and finding out all the good spots again. And I'll be happy to share them with you too. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like and a comment down below. Please comment. Comment's the big one. Anything. Chad, you're great. Chad, you suck. Bicycle. Put an emoji down there. Anything. Help us with the algorithm, please. Help us. We are trying very hard. Wow, my wife doesn't want to be on camera, but I can't help it. Look at her. She's riding a bike. She has her childhood spirit coming back. Okay, well, I'm glad my wife is feeling better. And what was I saying? Oh yeah, please put a comment. And we are streaming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 a.m. Indochina time, aka Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Although those hours will probably change an hour earlier in the coming weeks as I get my new studio set up. If there's anything you want me to see or do in Saigon, put in the comments down below. I'll try to do it. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys later. Peace.